What is up guys, it's Simon from PianoPig.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a really simple technique you can use for stride piano, which is going to allow you to just start playing around with that awesome stride sound straight away and begin to get that kind of style of playing under your fingers. If you'd like the resource sheet which goes along with this video, you can download that for free by clicking on the link in the description. And if you enjoyed this video and get value from it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content. Let's do it! So to start with, let's take a very simple chord progression, and then we'll go on to apply this simple stride technique to that. Here's the chord progression we'll be working with. F major 7, G minor 7, A minor 7, and back to G minor 7. And this is what our simple stride technique will sound like applied to this chord progression. So what am I doing here? Well, what we're going to do is actually ignore the 7th of each chord and just play the triad. That would give us an F major, G minor, A minor, and back to G minor. All we need to do now is break these triads up into stride sounding patterns. And the way we're going to do that is take our triad, take the third out, and put it on the top, which leaves us with this pattern. The root, 5, and 3. And we're going to break it up and play it like this. You might not be able to reach the whole thing in one, but that doesn't matter. You should be quite close and you should be able to just jump up to reach the notes as you need them. So have a go playing that pattern a few times and get it under your fingers. Let's now apply this same concept to the other chords. We have a G minor 7, so we ignore the 7th and just take the triad. And then we find the stride pattern by taking the third out and putting it on the top. And now let's apply this to our last chord, A minor 7. So we just take the triad, take the third out and put it on the top, and move this pattern down to whatever is suitable. And then we can just practice playing the stride pattern. And if we put that all together, we have this. And that just gives you a simple stride pattern that's easy to play, easy to reach, easy to think about, and still provides you with a pretty awesome sound. Once you've got that progression under your fingers, have a go improvising over the top. You can really hear how cool it sounds in the context of solo piano. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, come and join us over in the PianoPig Academy, which is my membership site where you can access all of my full-length courses, backing tracks, forums, and so much more. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.